Welcome back to Learn with CJ. In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to look at how to use what I think is the most important shortcut you should actually know, because it applies to every single Microsoft Office application, and that is the spell check shortcut, which is F7. So in this case here, you can see I've got a whole range of words that are actually misspelt in this document. When I press F7, it will actually bring up the spell check function on the right hand side here, and it will then tell me what I need to change. So the top here in the spell check, it tells me that Akenval is misspelled, and I can see down here it was misspelled because it's got the red wavy underline. I simply choose one of the suggestions and I work through all of the different issues that are actually there. So in this case here, I need to replace or delete this repeated word. That's misspelt. That's obviously misspelt. We're going to go attention for that. Again, the word attention is misspelt. So F7 starts off the spell check function. It will also look at the grammar issues as well, and I think it's one of the best tools that you really need to know how to use. So F7 for your spell check function. Alright, so if you like this quick video, what I want you to do is hit the subscribe button, also hit the like button to say you like this video, leave a comment if you want, and we'll get back to you shortly. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.